Hi there, and I'm thrilled to have you join our community. Here at IAM Intuitive Art Meditation, we believe in the transformative power of art and mindfulness. Whether you're an introvert seeking solace, someone looking to manage stress, or simply a lover of creativity, you're in the right place. Before we begin, let's set our intention with a calming breathing exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat these 2 more times. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and calmer. Think about what you hope to achieve or feel during your creative time today. Silently set a positive intention for your art practice. It might be to find peace, to express a feeling, or simply to enjoy the process. Hold this intention in your mind for a few moments, letting it guide your upcoming session. Now, gently affirm to yourself, I am creative. I am open to expressing myself through my art. I am present at this moment. Let these words resonate within you, fostering a positive and encouraging mindset. Encouragement for being an introvert. Remind yourself, my introversion is a strength. It allows me to be thoughtful, reflective, and deeply connected to my inner world. I embrace my need for solitude and use it as a source of creativity and peace. Open your eyes and gather your sketchbook and a pencil. Before you start, take another deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel your mind and body relax with each breath. free drawing. For the next 5 minutes, let your hand move freely across the paper. Don't worry about what you're drawing. Just let your thoughts and feelings guide the pencil. Allow this sketch to be a warm-up for your creativity. Nature. If you need inspiration, consider drawing elements from nature. Sketch a leaf, a flower, or a tree. Focus on the shapes, lines, and textures. Patterns and doodles. Create simple patterns or doodles. Let your mind wander and enjoy the repetitive, soothing nature of drawing patterns. Emotional expression. Express how you're feeling right now through abstract shapes and lines. Don't think too much. Let your emotions flow onto the paper. As you draw, remind yourself that this time is for you. There is no right or wrong way to create. Every mark you make is a valid expression of your inner world. Trust your instincts and enjoy the process. Remember, my quiet nature allows me to see the world in unique ways. I am deeply creative, and my art is a beautiful expression of who I am. As you draw, pay attention to the movement of your hand, the feel of the pencil on the paper, and the sounds around you. Stay present in the moment, enjoying the simple act of creating. Reflection. After your quick sketch, take a moment to look at what you've created. How do you feel? Did the act of drawing help you connect with your intention? Note any thoughts or feelings in your mind. Close your eyes and take a final deep breath in and out. Silently affirm to yourself, I am proud of my creativity. I honor this time for myself. I carry this peace and creativity with me throughout the day. I acknowledge My introversion is a gift. It allows me to connect deeply with myself and my art. I am grateful for the unique perspective it brings. By following this expanded morning routine with added encouragement and affirmation, you can start your day with a sense of calm and creativity, using art as a meditation to set a positive tone for the rest of your day and embracing the strengths of being an introvert. Thank you for joining us. Don't miss part 2 of our introverted art journaling and affirmation series next Wednesday. Please share, like, and subscribe for more creative content.